Hi, everyone. I'm going to give you a quick walk through the coaching platform for HabitNu. You're going to have two different platforms that you use HabitNu for. First, you'll have the app, which is what your participants see as well. You'll have your own participant profile. And then you'll also have this coaching platform, which you access on a computer. And this is where you're going to see all your participant data. This is where you interact with HabitNu as a coach. So the first thing you'll need to do is just make sure that you have a cohort selected at the top of your screen. That's when the left sidebar really opens up here. And in the middle here, as the cohort goes along, this is where you're going to see a snapshot of all of your participant data. Then the next one down is users. This is just a list of all of your cohort participants. The scheduler you will only use if you are doing a virtual cohort. So this is where you will see and be able to join and schedule meetings. This is an example. So here is an example of a meeting that's just one-on-one, or it is for all of the members, but it's a one-time meeting. And you just hit to join. It's very similar to Zoom. Join meeting. And then I will show you the important buttons on the bottom here. When you hover over the button, it'll tell you exactly what it does. So hover over the microphone. This is the camera, turning it on and off. This is how do you end the meeting. This is how you share your screen. It's very easy. And this is breakout rooms. Click that and you just say how many rooms you need. This is the mute all button. So everyone in the video, you can mute everyone. This is where you record. And this is where you do the chat function and then settings at the end there. All right, go ahead and end that meeting. Going back here, I'm planning to schedule recurring meetings for you and all of your cohorts once that's set up. So it's the same process to join that meeting, and your participants see this as well. And then I'm also going to just pull up the email that you'll see, or that your participants will see. So once a meeting is scheduled in the scheduler, your participants will receive an email, and it'll say you have weekly meetings scheduled with your HabitNu coach. Say when, and then it gives them the steps to follow to join the meeting. And this was what I really like. Reminders will be sent out 1 hour before each meeting occurs. So HabitNu will automatically send out those emails as an hour before each meeting. Okay. If you want to schedule a meeting yourself in the scheduler, you'll just go and you'll click one of the bars, put in a title. The interaction type group is everyone. Coach is a one-on-one. Okay. The description, the duration, and then I didn't need to do anything with the coach or notes to save it. So you could just leave those alone if you want. And this is important at the very top. Is this meeting for all cohort members? No, then select which members. If it is for everyone, just leave it checked. Okay. And then we'll go back to the left sidebar here. Class planner, this isn't filled out yet, but when it is, you're going to see the curriculum for each session. So it'll say session 0 checklist, session 1, session 2, and have all your handouts, the videos, everything that you will need will be right here in the class planner. So discussion board, this is important for ongoing interaction between you and your group. So you can post here, and it's like a Facebook group. So just everyone in your cohort will see what's being posted, and they can interact with each other, interact with you. It's a public space. Direct messages are private messages, and you start a new message in the upper right-hand corner. All right, and then you select who it's to. It's just between you and one other participant. Okay, this is very important. The log class session. So for CDC reporting, we need to know the weight and the activity minutes of each participant each week. So this is where you'll enter it. If the participant is using the app for their weight and activity tracking, it'll be auto-populated in here. However, you'll still need to come in and manually put in the attendance date. Okay, so you'll just do that each week. Milestones. This is more important for my end on the admin, but it's good for you to know as well. So for us to get a good standing with the CDC, we need participants to go to at least 8 of the 16 core sessions. So this is just a good snapshot to see where your participants are in making that ranking. And it's just a good way of knowing like when you should start when you should start encouraging them to come back into the fold, right? So hopefully you're in constant contact with them throughout. But this is just a good way of saying like, hey, you've missed 7 sessions. Let's try to get through, get at least one more between, before the end or something, It's just a good way of tracking there. All right. And I think that's really all you need to know for the coaching platform. It's very easy, very user-friendly. And I actually think the video conferencing is even cleaner than Zoom. It's just very simple. All right. Thanks.